Hello, this is Annie of Life Fire Workshops and Coaching, and I'm here today to wonder with you whether you worry about growing older, because I sure do. It's brought a lot of challenges into my life, and maybe yours too. So maybe aches and pains, isolation, ooh, wondering about money. There's just all kinds of endless things that we can um, worry about, grapple with. And wouldn't it be great to do that with company and support? So I'm leading a workshop this afternoon at 3:30 here in beautiful Oakland, California. If you want more information, check out my website at lifefire.com or just message me through Facebook. I would love to hear from you. So, lightening up about growing older, we're going to have fun, we're going to play, we're going to explore, we're going to bring some mindfulness practices and some laughter into the picture. So, come laugh with me, have fun, and connect. What could be better? All right, hope to see you. Please give me a shout out and let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye. Ha ha.